Number 20. What is the approximate percentage of oxygen in expired air? So this is something that you guys should just memorize. You have to know the oxygen and carbon dioxide content, like the percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air, like both inspired air and expired air. So I'm just gonna summarize everything for you. So in inspired air and in expired air, they contain about 21% of oxygen in inspired air, and in expired air there's about 16. So we take in about 4 to 5% of the oxygen in the air. For CO2, there's about 0.04% of the CO2 in inspired air, and we give out quite a bit. So in expired air, there's like 4% of CO2. So as you can see, we actually give quite a bit of CO2 out of the body. Okay. So the answer should be C for this one, because it's asking about the expired air. Okay, so this is inspired air, this is expired air, this is the amount of CO2 in expired air and in inspired air. Okay? Cool. Sweet as. Thanks, guys.